I get a load of people asking me, what coding language should I use? And that's a great question if you're not a coder. But if you ask a coder what coding language to use, they're never going to give you a straight answer. And that's because ultimately, it doesn't really matter where you start. It doesn't matter what language you start with, as long as you stick at it. And after you've learned one language, they are easy to pick up. You can pick up multiple languages, and most coders are expected to know multiple languages. So for example, if you're a web developer, you'll probably start learning JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. If you want to do AI and machine learning, you're probably going to learn Python. But that's a great place to get started if you want to learn coding at all. And so it doesn't really matter what you learn or where you start. You just need to start somewhere. Pick one. Pick one that you think is popular, is modern, and you can't really go wrong. So my personal recommendation is, if you're learning to code and you're interested in AI and machine learning, you need to learn Python. That's a great place to get started, and that's why so many schools teach it. But if that's too complex, you could just start with block coding like Scratch. It doesn't matter where you start, it just matters that you're consistent, and there's an entire community for every single coding language, and all of the answers are online, and that is the beauty of computer science. Every single question can be answered through the internet, which is a product itself of the industry.